making a chopped chickpea and avocado salad. All you're going to need for the veggies is some sprouts, tomatoes, peppers, cucumber, onion, mushrooms, some chickpeas, avo, and then some sunflower seeds which we're going to roast. And then we're going to make a dressing. For the dressing you're going to need balsamic vinegar and olive oil, some salt and pepper, a little bit of soy sauce, a thumbnail portion of ginger and half a lemon. Your first step will be to saute the onions and mushrooms in a little bit of olive oil. Let it just heat up. First add the onions and let them become translucent, and then you can add the mushrooms. Next we're going to just add the mushrooms, a bit of salt and pepper, and a little bit of garlic, just for some flavor, about a teaspoon, and let the mushrooms cook down. I've added the sunflower seeds to a pan. We're going to lightly roast them on a low heat just so they don't burn. All I'm going to do is add a little bit of salt and check on them every now and then just to make sure they don't burn, because they burn very quickly. Okay, they're finished. They're just lightly roasted. Just remember again, they burn very quickly, so keep an eye on them. Alright, and now for the dressing. What we're going to do is add some olive oil to a food processor, about 2 tablespoons for 2 servings, the juice of half a lemon, about a tablespoon of soy sauce, two teaspoons of crushed garlic, some basil leaves, you can just throw them in, about a handful, some balsamic vinegar, about a tablespoon, some salt and pepper, to your taste, and then a small piece of ginger just for an added kick, and just throw it in. And then you're going to blend on high speed until it's completely smooth. You're then going to transfer it to your serving ramekins, just a little bit for each bowl. All we're going to do now is simply compile everything together in your serving bowls. I have baby spinach as my base, and then basically you can compile it however you like. I like to start with the sprouts, some cucumber, chopped tomatoes, yellow pepper, your chickpeas, your sauteed mushrooms and onion, your chopped avo, more sprouts, and then lastly your roasted seeds.